Hamas and Israel are set to hold new ceasefire talks in Qatar this Saturday, aiming to reduce tensions and potentially bring an end to ongoing hostilities in the Gaza Strip. This marks a significant step in diplomatic efforts to address the recent escalation in the region. The talks will focus on key issues such as ceasefire terms, humanitarian access, and the broader political situation. Both sides have expressed cautious willingness to engage, though past negotiations have faced challenges. The conflict between Hamas and Israel has resulted in significant casualties and displacement, drawing international concern and calls for peace. Qatar's role as a mediator highlights its ongoing involvement in facilitating dialogue in the Middle East. As the world watches closely, the outcome of these talks could influence regional stability and the prospects for a longer-term peace process. Stay tuned for updates as this important diplomatic effort unfolds.